Ever since the release in 2016, AirPods have taken the TWS market by a storm. AirPods not only offer a premium sound but also hours of listening time after being charged fully. But if you have been using this for a while now, you might have noticed that battery on AirPods tend to drain faster than advertised by Apple. But don't worry, as in this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and optimize the battery life of your AirPods. Factory resetting your AirPods is one of the short ways of fixing the battery life of your AirPods. To do that, connect them to your iPhone and keep them in case. And then remove and forget them from the list of Bluetooth devices of your iPhone. After that, you can long press the setup button of your charging case for 15 seconds till the lights glow amber. Then reconnect your AirPods to your iPhone. Your AirPods can sense when they are put inside your ear. So if you're not wearing the AirPods, the media will automatically stop, and whenever you put them back in your ear, the media will automatically resume. While this is a great feature, it does drain a lot of battery. So if you're facing issues with your AirPods battery, we suggest you to switch off automatic ear detection. AirPods is a highly intelligent device that works on the input thrown by the sensors of left and right AirPods at the same time. When they are kept out of case, the sensors are always alert if you suddenly decide to put them back in your ear or the case. This causes a lot of battery draining. So if you are in habit of leaving your AirPods out and about, I suggest you to change that and put AirPods back in case after you're done using them. If you own the latest iPhone and AirPods Pro or AirPods 3rd gen or above, then you should definitely turn on optimized battery charging for your AirPods. To do this, connect your AirPods to your phone and open settings. Tap and enter the Bluetooth menu. Scroll down and enable optimized battery charging option. Battery issues tend to manifest if you are using the outdated firmware version on your AirPods. In such cases, we advise you to update the firmware of your AirPods to the latest version to resolve your battery draining issue. Sometimes it might be the case that your AirPods have a faulty battery or faulty hardware. In such cases, the only course of action for you is to change your AirPods. Since it is impossible to get AirPods battery replaced, which is why pod swap is the only option that is available to you. So that is it for this one. If you like what you watched, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button, and make sure you download the iGeeks blog app from the App Store if you like to stay updated with everything Apple. This is me here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.